This is the Metro Mini side which I'm going to show you. So this is the front end. Here you can check your home page. So here you can check your whenever you go for account create, then here you can select on behalf of son, on behalf of daughter, on behalf of sister, then some details, then password. So you can easily register yourself on behalf of someone, or you can sign up by Google and Facebook as well. Here you can check your premium member data. After that, so you can check your how it works. Here you can check some content, or you can change this content as well. This is some user data which we already show you. So you just need to first log in, then you can search him or search her. Here you can check happy story. Here you can check your packages. So your user will buy a package and then they can do it. Like 100 express interest is there, gallery photo uploaded is there, contact information view. So when they buy any any package from you, then they can check the contact details of any other partner. Okay, so these all details are changeable, so easily you can change. After that, if you click on active member data, so after login you can check your active member, premium member, happy story and contact us. Here you can easily log in as well. If you want to log in, then you can log in with these details. You just need to add email ID and password. Click on the login options, then it will be login. So here you can check the active member data. Here you can check dashboard, profile, interest, shortlist, messaging, ignore. So these are some active member. Here you can filter like age, member ID, marital status, religion, caste, subcaste, mother tongue, professional. So these are filters. So if you open any, if you want to check any member's ID, then you just click on this and then you can do. Before that, you need to buy a package. See, so you just need to buy any package, then you can do it. Let me buy a package for demo. Yeah, I already buy one package. So let me show you other things as well. So after login, page will be changed. So you can easily search like age, from, to, religion, mother tongue. So here you can search. This is your dashboard. Okay, let me show you. So this is your dashboard. Here you can check remaining interest, remaining contact, remaining gallery upload, current package what you have. Here you can check your gallery, happy stories. Here you can check which package do you had buy. You can check your wallet, or you can easily add money, or you can easily do use that money. You can do the charge. Here you can check messages, my interest, sort list, ignore user list, change password, manage profile, deactivate. These all things are here. Okay, so then you can check other things like active member, premium member data. So here you can check premium member data after purchase premium member subscription plan. If I clean a full profile, then I can find out. So that file will open completely. Here you can check the name, member ID, age, details, profile. You can check here basic informations, present address, contact address. If you want to check, if you click here, then you can check the contact informations. Here you can check education and other details. Here you can shortlist, report or ignore. After that, here you can check partner reference, photo gallery. You can check here. You can like this profile as well. So these things are here. After that, premium, then we have a happy story. So here you can check happy story, then contact us. So you can contact to us for any support. Here you can show your interest. Here you can shortlist, you can ignore, or you can report it. Okay, after these details, let me show you other things. Like this is a dashboard which I already show you. After that, this is your profile, so you can change your profile easily from here, like introduction, email, basic information. So you can change these things. After that, my interest is here, so here you can check interest request or you can check that. Here you can check shortlist, messaging, ignore user list. So this is the front end or user login which I already show you. Now I am going to show you the admin panel. So first let me log out. Okay, so let me log in as admin. Just a second, I want to log in again. Let's log in as an admin. Yeah, it's here. So let me log in with the ID password which I have created for a demo purpose. See, this is the admin dashboard. Here you can check total member, premium member, free member, block member data. After that, here you can check this year earning, total earning, last month earning, last 6 month earning, or last 12 month earning. After that, here you can check your happy stories. After that, we have a member. So here you can check free members data. If you want to add any new member, then you can add. You can view, you can edit, you can block, you can approve, or you can check the package, or you can update that package. If you want to update, then you can do it. Okay, if I want to add any user, then I click here, then I can make any login or make any member here from backend. Okay, if I click on 3 dots, then other option you can check like wallet balance, login as member, all things are here which you can manage that. After that, we have a premium member, bulk member, add. So if you want to add members in a bulk, then you just need to add a CSV file, then it will be done. Here you can check deleted members, reported members, unapproved profile. You can check that data here. After that, here you can set up your profile attributes like religion, caste, subcaste. So here you can check religions data. So here you can check religion. Here you can make multiple religions. Here you can make multiple caste, subcaste, member language. So you can set up multiple languages as well. You can set up your own multiple language, country, state, city on behalf of son or on behalf of brother. So you can set up these things are here. Family value, family status, marital status. So you can manage these things. After that, here you can check premium packages which you have created. So that data will come here in premium package. We already make 2 packages. So if you want to add new, then you can add any new packages. Here you just need to add price, express interest, gallery upload, contact info, profile image view, gallery image view. So you can set up once, then it will be auto profile matching show or not. So you can set this. Here you can make package payment. After the wallet transaction, you can check here. Here you can set up happy stories, or you can check easily all types of story here. After we have a blog. So here you can check all blog data here. You can check blog category. You can create blog category as well. If you want to add any blog, then you can add. Click on add, then these are some details which you need to fill. After that, we have a marketing. So in front end, whenever somebody done a newsletter, then that data will come here. After that, contact us query, offline payment systems or manually. So we already integrated many payment gateway are here. Let me show you. Here you can set up your bank payment for offline payment. Here you can uploading GIFs, website setup. So here you can check header, footer. In settings, some settings are here. So here you can check online payment gateway. Here you can manage all the age and etc. Here you can set up your system languages, multi-currency support. So you can set up any currency, which currency you are working. After that, we have a payment method. So PayPal, InstaMojo, Stripe, RadioPay, Paytm, Paystack. These all are already running. You just need to add key, then it will work. SMTP we already set up. You just need to add key, then SMTP will run. Then we have a third party settings. So here you can check third parties data. Let me show you that data also. So like Google reCAPTCHA, Google Analyze, Facebook Chat. So these things you can check or you can update. Okay, social media logins we have. So here you can set up your social media login. Here Google login credential, Facebook credential, Twitter login credentials. We have a staff, so here you can set up a staff, so you can make roles. Okay, you can give password, you can allow any role, then it will be just help you to manage the solution. So you can set up your staff, or you can give permissions according to role, or your user can manage these details. So these are some permissions which you can allow by clicking these things are here. So we already show you the complete demo, so if you have any query then let me know, I will try to solve it. Thank you.